Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to use shapes and stroke in SwiftUI. With SwiftUI you can get access 5 built-in shapes which are circle, ellipse, rectangular, rounded rectangular and capsule. You can simply add shapes like use this plus button and you can get this view of list of controller. You can simply search circle and you can click and drag to your code directly. You can make this circle. Then you can change the circle frame, just changing the width and height. You can make the height and width respective to your circle shape. And you can also change the color of this one, use fill color option and black. I just created the circle shape with frame of height and width 55, making a perfect circle shape. Unlike stacks, shapes take the maximum space. To color them, you should use fill or foreground color instead of background. You can also change the border color using stroke followed by color, line with something 13. I just making this border color as pink and just changing the black and line with this 8. You can also customize this one here. You can change the color or you can change the line width right here. Ellipse. Ellipse is like a circle but without the perfect aspect ratio of 1:1. You can change the height and width, like I changed the 55 width and height is 65 to make this ellipse shape. Remaining things are same, stroke color and line width you can follow the same one. You can use fill to change the background color. And rectangular. Rectangular is one of the most element in SwiftUI such as stacks, color, gradient start as rectangular. They are not shape. This rectangular have a properties allowing it to stroke or serving a mask. Let us see some example. Just I am making the rectangular and foreground color is black. Rectangular shape followed by foreground color is black. Here is the white space. To ignore this one, I just using the ignore safe area. You can also find this one in control command shift L. Just press command shift L to open this menu and you can search rectangular and you can click and drag to this your UI or directly. You can directly drag to your UI or code directly. It's up to your wish, or you can type manually. Rounded rectangular. Rounded rectangular comes with useful corner radius and style property. It is the great for creating button and generating the smooth corner of iOS. One of the option you can use rounded rectangular. You have to pass corner radius and style. I'm using the continuous style to make this rounded rectangular button. You can use fill option to change the background color and frame I said 44 and overlay help us to overlay something text above this rounded rectangular. You can use something I just using text element, so I just overlay this text element, overlay this rounded rectangular. For capsule you no need to pass rounded rectangular or style. It's similar to the rounded rectangular. This capsule is pill shaped. Each end of the capsule is it's molding, like it's made up of half circle, you can use them for button. So I just want to make circle button, I'm using the capsule. Remaining things are same: fill, color and frame, and overlay the text. Only thing is I just remove this one, corner, radius and style. This corner and radius only for rounded rectangular. So these are the shapes we are widely used in our SwiftUI project. If you are using button, you can use this one, capsule. And mostly we use rectangular for our stacks, color, gradients, chart as a rectangular. They are in odd shape. This rectangular have a properly allowing it to have a strokes or serve a mask shapes.